Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we are going to tackle a common problem that many people encounter while using their devices. The problem we'll be diving into today is the issue of accidentally deleting important files on your computer. We've all been there. One moment you're trying to clean up some space, and the next, you realize you've deleted something crucial. It could be a real headache, but fret not, because we got the solution for you. In situations like this, it's crucial to act fast and avoid any further use of the device to prevent overwriting the deleted files. The solution here is to utilize a data recovery software, such as disk drill. These tools work by scanning your storage for any remnants of the deleted files and restoring them back to their original state. Remember, the key is to act quickly and not to panic. There's still a good chance you can retrieve your lost data. When using a data recovery software like disk drill, it's important to ensure that you're restoring the files to a different storage location to prevent any potential data corruption. Additionally, make sure to regularly back up your important files to avoid such mishaps in the future. Prevention is always better than cure, right? To sum it up, accidentally deleting files can be a nightmare, but with the right tools and quick action, you can often recover your lost data. Remember to stay calm, use a reliable data recovery software like disk drill, and always keep backups of your important files. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your own data recovery horror stories. Let's commiserate together.